the hairliner booster from SHUMIE. So it smells so good. Morning guys, so in the morning when I wake up, I just apply SHUMIE hair food. They have their website, also they have a page on TikTok, so you can follow them. It's SHUMIE. So I apply here on my hairliner in the morning, every day in the morning, also in the night I apply. Then you also open lines, you apply, there you go. And then I also have the hairliner booster from SHUMIE. This one I always apply on my hairliner in the morning, also in the evening when I go to sleep. So it smells so good. And then also I have the hair, I also have this hair oil. This one I apply only in the morning. I just do like this. I do like this. So thank you so much from SHUMIE group. My hair is really looking so nice. Thank you guys.